Hello everyone. Today I'm trying a knife. This is very easy drawing. Try to draw with me. It's the handle. Now I will draw a fork. Now I am drawing a burger. Let's draw the salad leaves. Here is the bun. Here we go. This is the cheese. Now I am adding another layer. And then another cheese. Let's add some magic by adding colors in it. It looks so yummy. This is blue color. Wow, blue color fork is looking very amazing. I'm using green color for the knife. This is orange color. I'm using orange again. Green color for the salad leaves. Do you like salad? It is very healthy. Do add it in your daily diet. Red color. This is yellow color. Yellow again for the cheese. This is a triple layer mighty burger. Did you like it? Purple color. Pink color. Wow, it looks so yummy. I want to eat it. It is ready. Hope you like it too.